My name is Gabe. This is my YouTube channel. It's pretty great.
Hey guys, me, your pal Gabriel, and this is my friend William. You may have met him by now. This is almost the last in our series of beer videos. We'll have to record more. I would have brought more, but everyone I've ever recorded videos with does like one video and chickens out. And he's been puking, and we threw a rock through the ice, and some other stuff happened. And anyways, today we're gonna drink a Der Banterkrug Hopfen in Malt Geschenkrugel 21. It's 4.8 alcohol percentage per volume. That's actually much lower than I would have guessed.
2013.
It's 2013, so it's only about 8 years old, give or take. And let's crack. Everybody else, I had an older one from the 70s, but I gave it away because everybody chickened out. Nobody wanted to do it. Let's get this bad boy open. Woo! A little spritz.
There's a nice little,
What is in there? Is that
like steam. That's not fucking...
Bubbles.
Why does it look thick?
I'm sure it's thick. It's German. Ooh. They only do two things: drink beer and kill Jews.
Jesus.
It smells like shit.
Oh, don't waste any. There we go. There we go.
If you drink all this, you're gonna puke everywhere. All right, to make this more exciting, we're just gonna do this while we.
All right, flavor notes. Tastes like all the other old ass beer. This is kind of fun.
One hit me.
Yeah, I felt it in the gap. So flavor notes.
So the gunpowder is smelling, or the
Yeah, it has a rancid like taste, but I think it also has a
fucking
an
nasty.
essence of gunpowder.
All right, we gotta kick it up a notch. I'm bored by this video. We haven't done anything that could hurt us badly.
I don't know what you're talking about. My shit's on
One
fire.
hit me. One hit me in the ass. Like stabbed my ass. I'm a big boy, even the fireworks now. All right. I can taste the gunpowder. Well, what do you think? How is it? Tastes like sewer water when I taste it.
Honestly, it's kind of bland for me, to be honest. The plus side is, as you can tell this, dude, look, it's no protein. Dude, this is solid no protein, right? Look at that.
Fucking hurt! What hit my chin and my eye? It hit me right in the fucking eye! Am I blind? I'm fucking deaf!
I'm probably drinking my expired beer over here, sir.
Ow! That one almost pierced the skin, and so did that one! The eye one hurt like hell!
Dude, I feel like a dragon in here. Holy shit.
We'll do some light, easy bottle rockets on this one. That fucking hurt! It hit me in the eye! I sound like such a whiner, but it really hurt. And the arm one hurt really bad too.
You okay?
Thanks, cameraman. Somebody else didn't ask if I was okay. That's why I threw a mortar at him.
Here, Gabe. Let me just top you off there. There you go.
Panzerkrugel. Fat are your papers?
Ah!
Fat are your papers?
A small bottle rocket my ass. Yeah, it's...
Fuck off!
Gabe, remember I'm here!
That was a... Hey, can I see one of those mortars real quick?
Oh, yeah.
You mind just laying it for me?
Remember, we can't kill the cameraman.
That's fine.
What? This can kill people. Whoa! I want to do that. Oh god.
You gotta put it back here, super
I don't know
scared.
where that's facing. only have a few more. I
only have a few more lives. Oh, dude, that was fucking reek. Which is comparable
that
to
was
this
fucking
beer.
reek. Are you drunk?
Oh my god, there's no safe place for that one.
Flavor notes? Look, Amy, it's a little hoppy. It's kind of citrusy. Is that me?
It might be the fireworks that you're tasting.
Could be.
That was the smoke, not the beer. Oh, there's a lot of smoke. Yeah, look at this. Almost no protein. Held up very, very well. Keep going.
What's going on? These are great videos. You want to do something?
I think I'm working on this beer. I don't want to have any of it go to waste.
Oh my god, my hearing!
You know, it makes it better. Drink some beer. Oh my god, that's so much. I always do that slight pop. Alright, that one was fucked.
Now they taught us this in Nam. Come on in, cameraman, I'll show you. When I was over there pattying them rices, if you know what I mean. What you want to do with the mortars is you want to tie a bunch together.
Alright. We're starting to run out.
Are we?
Yeah.
I spilled a bunch
I
of
know.
mine, but I drank a fair amount. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me just, yeah, it's beautiful.
Nice pour. Good head. Alright, watch out.
Oh my god.
Dude, these
William,
can kill you,
run.
You know that, right?
Yeah. No, I get it. It's absolutely terrifying.
No.
Oh my god, there's a fire, Gabe. There's a fire right here. Come look at this. Come here.
Gabe, don't do that.
Gabe, this building's on fire.
Oh no. Gabe.
Oh my god,
Oh my god, run!
Okay, the building's on fire though, Gabe.
Oh my god, it's like for real on fire.
Yeah, let's pause for a second.
What do we do?
We gotta put it out.
Do you have anything?
Oh, just stop on it.
Oh, I see it. Don't shuffle! Here, move.
Yeah,
This one. What we got? Oh! Die! Die! Alright, doing good. Oh!
I was actually thinking about launching one off of that.
Let's launch one in it.
I wish we had like a setup camera so that I could just run away because this is so fucking scary.
Oh, that's awesome. I fucking love this. Will it fit in there or just the top?
Oh, it'll fit.
Jesus
Dude,
fucking
I'm serious.
Christ.
It'll be like bad, so don't fucking be near that. Anybody. Back the fuck up.
I'm almost out. Oh,
Good enough.
just kick it in, dude. Just kick it in there as soon as you light it. Dude, just kick it in there as soon as you light it. Actually, here, drop it in. Okay, we're good. Gabe, what are you doing? I want to keep
It's
that
too
ball.
much like Nam!
I want to keep that ball.
Get the fuck away from me!
Dude, the bottle is still there.
Holy fuck! It's indestructible! Gabe, this is our new mortar launcher. Put another one in.
All right.
Jesus.
I forgot that we were even drinking the beer.
Well, I am. I even forgot.
The neighbors just hear like banging and.
All right. Can you imagine how under pressure this is?
Oh, it's awesome. Put the top back on.
Oh.
No. All right. Let's go.
I hate this. Gabe.
Oh, that's hot.
All right. This is fucking
Run.
ridiculous. William, run.
That's terrifying because I think the fuse went out because you put the clamp on it. I don't trust that. I don't trust that. I trust it. All right, this one's you.
I'm just gonna stay back here.
I did the grenade. The liquid courage. It's good. It would have went, I think.
Pop it and run.
Yeah, pop it. Pop it and get your fuck. Don't put your face near it. Alright, we'll continue on. Why are you so far away?
This is fucking scary.
We're just drinking some really kind of old beers right now. No, I can't get way the fuck back there. It's fine. That was terrifying. What the fuck is going on? Hey, we have a problem.
What's wrong?
I'm out of beer.
Oh fuck! You can run back to the house. Got more beers.
I think we'll pass on that one.
Okay. Dude, there's smoke in here.
Where there's smoke, there's fireworks.
All right, come here, William.
What are you doing?
Open that ceramic bottle, William. We gotta get the mortar back.
We're just gonna
Do it now before it fucking blows up or something stupid. Scares the shit out of me. It might go when you do it. Is it good?
Oh yeah, dude, we got like 2 seconds fuse. Wrap it on!
Alright, we're gonna do both. We're gonna do both. Get the fuck out of here.
I know, just wait. Yeah.
How much time do we have left on there?
Like 5-6 minutes.
Oof.
5 minutes.
There you go, light both of them.
Run, Gabe.
Where did I put my glass? Hold on! Stop everything! Okay, continue.
It's over there.
Wait, where?
Over to the left.
I don't know what left is right now. Got a lot of.
Oh fuck!
Woo! That's hot.
The other one didn't go.
There's only one.
I know. It's okay, because I'm stupid. Alright, where's my glass at then?
It's right here. Put it over here in the grass somewhere. Well, what's going on?
Oh, that one's fucking smoldering! Get the fuck out of it! Dude, that's absolutely terrifying.
The chicken.
Gabe! I win!
What is it?
It's part of the mortar!
Jesus. The chickens.
Oh god!
What's that one doing, man?
I think it's gone out.
Alright.
For safety reasons, I'm gonna cover it in snow.
Yeah, get rid of that.
It is still smoldering, real fucking.
Alright, we did all the cool shit except these.
Yeah, we'll get a fuse on this.
Get rid of that, dude. That is a fucking hazard.
It didn't even break.
No.
Alright, all seriousness though. Where's my drinking glass?
It's over here somewhere. Here, look.
Kidding.
Here. William, play rocket roulette in there, okay? Get in there. All right. It has no tail. Oh my God, not that. What are you doing, you psycho? Oh, come on, it's something.
3 minutes.
We'll finish these and we'll call it. You on?
I think I've had enough, Gabe. Here, Gabe. Here, hold on. Don't do ya. Go!
Oh my God, get rid of it!
The top came off.
Put a mortar in it.
We don't have any mortars for firecrackers to do it. Grab it once it's that one. Alright.
Dude, oh my God, that lid's hot. Look at this, it's shot around.
Alright, open.
What the fuck?
Heat might have fucking.
It's not gonna work, sir. But don't worry, we got plenty more limited edition glasses that you can find at visitmeinminnesota.com.
We gotta do this quick.
Go.
Get rid of it! Alright, we better end the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment,
And subscribe, motherfuckers!
well that was dismal. Alright, see ya.